Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how to do Python programming on Termux. So first you need to install Python. To install Python, type apt install Python and hit enter. So I have already installed Python. To create a Python program, type nano, file name, then the extension with .py and hit enter. As you can see, I have already created a small Python program. So save this file, type Ctrl+O and hit enter. To exit this file, type Ctrl+X and hit enter. To execute program, type Python, file name with the extension .py and hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully compiled our program. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.